In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent cell input in Excel and the difference with alignment. First, open Microsoft Excel so we can walk through the process together. This is a simple formatting technique, but it's very useful when you want your worksheet to look cleaner and more organized. Before we start clicking anything, it helps to understand what indenting actually does. The indent option moves the content inside a cell farther away from the cell border. In most cases, that means shifting text inward from the left side of the cell. This is different from alignment. Alignment controls the overall position of content within the cell, such as whether it appears left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned. So, think of alignment as choosing where the content sits, while indenting adjusts how far inward it is from the edge. To follow along, enter some sample data into your worksheet. For example, you can create 2 columns with headers like Employee and Department, then add a few rows of data underneath. This gives you something visible to work with so you can clearly see how the formatting changes. Next, select the cells you want to indent. For this example, select the employee names in cells A2 through A4. Once those cells are highlighted, go to the Home tab in Excel. In the Alignment group, look for the Increase Indent button. Click it once, and you'll notice the text shift will slightly inward within each selected cell. If you want a stronger visual effect, click Increase Indent again to move the content farther from the cell border. If you decide the indentation is too much, Excel makes it easy to reverse. Simply click the Decrease Indent button to move the text back toward the original position. This gives you quick control over how the content appears without changing the actual text inside the cell. It's also important to keep the difference between indent and alignment clear. Indent moves the cell content inward from the left or right edge, depending on the formatting direction. Alignment, on the other hand, controls the broader placement of the content, including left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom positioning. A helpful tip to remember is that indenting is especially useful when you want to create visual hierarchy in a list. It can make certain entries look subordinate or grouped without changing the cell content itself. That means your data stays the same, but the worksheet becomes easier to read. And that's how to indent cell input in Excel and understand how it differs from alignment.